Hey, this is expat Rebel Chris, and today we're picking out plants for our beach home. So we came into Merida, nearby huge city, to my favorite garden center here. And we've been walking around, and then they've been pointing out plants, where they go. We came out to visit first, and showed that. And now we're in town for them to show us various plants. Most of the plants we got are actually in this little green open air greenhouse here that we got. And we also have a palm tree section, some pots that we just picked out and everything. And they are going to bring those to our house and one with dirt and plant them for us. It just costs whatever the plants cost, and of course the pots, and they will install it free of charge. We're about to check out, but they're going to actually deliver that. They haven't told me quite yet when. I'll be covering that in the future vlog, of course, and kind of what the process is. But it's fantastic in that you just come here and you can pick out all your plants and then just go have them install it. It's a renovation that I've been showing on our house. And so there's a lot of big, huge coconut trees. So we got plenty of those. We wanted a lot of stuff around the pool, even near the beach to attract butterflies. And then back on the back end of the property towards the street, some things along some walls and things like that. So I'll be showing that as well. So hope you enjoyed the tour of the vivero and what we're picking out and everything. And come join me next time for the installation of it all. That'll be nice. It's really going to make the property, I think, pop because we're comfortable. The pool, was installed. Everything's kind of up and done. We still have a kitchen renovation to do. Actually, a kitchen install where we had to rip one kitchen out, and that's being designed right now. We're going to have that installed. But so we got that coming up as well. But this is the next part of our home renovation here in Yucatan Beach area, Mexico. And come along with me to see the next step of this getting all installed. See you guys next time. Make sure you like us and subscribe. And if you got a comment or a question about this, leave a comment. Also, if you're interested in a weekly newsletter, you need to go over to expatrebel.com and sign up for that. I'll make sure you are up to date on all that type of thing and what's going on with our home renovation and our travels that we do here in Yucatan, Mexico. We love it here. It's a great place to retire. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit subscribe to the channel. Would love that. Leave a comment if you got any questions or comments about this video. And hey, make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And hey, why not join the expat newsletter? An email comes out every week over at expatrebel.com. You'll learn about becoming an expat, being an expat, and even traveling the world. Yeah, go over to expatrebel.com to sign up for that and see you guys next time. Bye.